As part of the Personnel Practices Program, a business should include a bodily fluids control program to reduce contamination risk. This program will include a cleanup kit, how to respond to a spill, quarantining affected areas, how to dispose of product or equipment that encountered bodily fluids, and how to document the response after a spill. GMP requires plant management to take all measures and precautions to prevent contamination from disease. The Bodily Fluids Control Program is based on the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's OSHA Bloodborne Pathogens Program. First, if an illness or injury occurs in the facility, the first step is to care for the affected individual and get them to safety. It is suggested that the facility has a designated individual or individuals on each shift who are formally trained in CPR and first aid. These designated individuals should be the first responders and know how to assist victims until medical personnel arrive. A cleanup kit should be available and easily accessible to clean up any fluids produced during an incident. This kit should be available in addition to a first aid kit to treat victims. This kit should include several items such as impermeable gloves, masks, absorbent powder, towels, a scoop with scraper, biohazard bags and ties, antiseptic towels, disinfectant towels, and an appropriate informational guide. In addition to OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standard, personnel responsible for bodily fluid cleanup should be trained with the materials in the kit itself in a hands-on training session. After the affected person is cared for and medically treated, the cleanup should begin, and will include all surfaces, equipment structures, or anything else that encountered the fluid. The first step during cleanup is to halt all production and quarantine any affected areas. By using signs, tape, or markers, the area should be marked off to prevent any further contamination. In addition to the bodily fluids cleanup kit, consider having mops, buckets, and other cleaning supplies readily available, and you'll have to dispose of these items after cleanup to prevent further contamination. Any items that come in direct contact with the fluids should be placed inside a biohazard bag within the quarantine area and must be discarded appropriately. Review local and federal regulations regarding biohazard disposal processes to ensure compliance. Inspection and disposal of any product in the area should be addressed immediately following the incident and before production continues. After the incident has been handled, it is important to document the incident and keep a record for occupational safety purposes, and in the case that product contamination is discovered at a later time.